Hi, welcome again to Paracounters Adventures. Right now we are at Bukit Batok Nature Reserve and we will unfold all the supernatural mysteries that happen here. Let's continue watching.
Because okay, never mind. April have if you can, that's anything. You don't need to. I don't think it's music.
Any entity here, can you come to the ghost box and talk to us? Come to the ghost box and talk to us.
Because when the pip is on, the energy, the interference will affect the devices. So now we off the detectors. So later on we readjust the display then we on the.
Let's go, Didi. Okay, Syed, we go off first.
Okay, hi guys. Right now we have Syed Wilson, who had just finished his isolation session, where he sketched out an entity that we believe he saw.
Yeah. Okay. The isolation method is normally what I do. Usually I blindfold, but this time I didn't blindfold. Just close my eyes, as long as I can, trying to get any image or vision. Okay. Like I always mention, if you have you have plenty of images coming in. That is from your imagination. That's where our mind try to feed.
Okay.
Okay, let's say right now you're sitting in this place, then all these things will start to come. But unless there's one face or one image that is consistent, that means that's the one that needs to be drawn. So I was facing the
Lake.
lake or quarry, you guys might call it. Same time trying to listen to the ghost box. Okay, the ghost box emits a sound. Okay, the sound is very subtle, very very soft. I mean, if you sit near to it, you can hear it. It's like a very someone like that a few times. Okay, and also I noticed your torchlight, your mag light was on and off by itself.
Oh.
Okay, so the image that I got is what's this? If you guys can see.
Let's see.
Okay,
Wow.
this is the image.
Okay, can you explain more about this image that you have sketched out for us?
Okay, this image is okay. If you look at the drawing, right, the face. Okay, sometimes when you stay in the water for too long, if you look at your fingers, it's like wrinkled. So it's like that. It's not rotted. It's like wrinkled. Okay, but then there's no eyes. There's no. It has hollow eyes. It's totally dark. So that means when I look at it, I just take it as there's no eyes.
Right.
No pupils, no retina, no nothing. No even glowing pair of eyes.
No eyeballs lah.
No eyeballs.
Right.
So this face was like appear and then it's gone for a while. Then I was drawing, it appeared again, the same face, which is okay. Then this must be it. Whatever it is, whether this thing is from this place or what, I dare not say. I don't want to say because, as you know, sometimes if a place is people say it's haunted by something, doesn't mean it belongs here. It might be from somewhere else.
Yeah.
They happens to be here, then notice what's going on. Could be.
That's right.
Right. And behind the drawing is I do some extra.
Yeah, there are three other objects.
Three other objects. You guys can see, right? Like this. Okay. The image is like the usual run of the mill pontianak. It's like all dark and then white, and it's like moving along near the
trees.
the lime tree. It's a limestone.
Yes.
Near the cliff. It's like moving. So it's like okay, I just draw. Even though it's moving fast, I just try to draw sketches, as much as I can to get the details. So this is what I get.
Like Dementor from Harry Potter lah.
Something like that.
Okay.
So then after that, before that earlier on I felt heavy on my shoulder. Now I still feel the same thing.
Which shoulder?
Both.
Okay.
That one, guys. Okay, I try not to immediately think that something's on. It might be killing my back or what. Because normally when we go out exploring, common sense comes first. You try to debunk whatever it is. Until there's no answer, no explanation, then we take it as a phenomenon. Okay, maybe I need some koyok once I reach home.
I have Yoko.
Yoko. Hey, okay.
Not koyo.
Koyak. Okay. What happened after that happened to me when I was at Dairy Farm. That was a long time ago when I went out with Pipa Eji. Okay, I was drawing. At that point of time, I sat with Ami Ghost Rider.
Okay.
Back then, he was one of our teammates. We sat there, I drew same thing. Something, it's like my eyes suddenly has this burning sensation. I can hardly open my eyes. It's like very, like someone pours something, you can't hardly open your eyes. No? Even my viewers say you're crying. No, I'm not crying. I'm not emotionally disturbed. It's just that I don't know.
Okay.
That one I cannot explain. That one I cannot explain. Alright, because after some time, to that I kena. I was at Labrador Park drawing. Before that, I was at Kampung Wasan doing the same thing. But here, I do not know. So, from tonight's outing, right? Conclusion that this thing moves around. Okay, it moves around. It does not really like stay at one place and play with the gadgets that we have. This is from my point of view. It moves around. Pump. It was this pump. It just like
Yeah.
Sometimes when they move, their energy also affected.
Correct.
So when the viewers were watching, when you guys were watching, your Mac light was on and off by itself. Okay, Mac light, actually behind the Mac light is where I saw all this moving, and even one of my viewers said there is something behind the light standing, because some viewers their eyes are very sharp, they can see.
Yes.
Okay, at that point in time I couldn't even see my own. I was busy sketching lah, basically. I couldn't even see the comments, so I have to rely on after with the comments back. So when you guys were watching, did you notice anything else happening?
We note the viewers and a few of us, we noticed like there's a white face,
Okay.
a white face on your right side, near the rampart door.
Right?
Yeah, the face was. I think one of your viewers was saying, the face was looking directly at you.
Right.
Yeah.
This could be the one that you guys saw at home, maybe. Right, because her face is like there's no blood. Like someone who's, can I mention it, drowned after a while.
Pale lah.
Pale.
Totally pale.
Pigmentation. Okay. Maybe. Something
Pale
like that.
and bluish kind.
Yeah, Janet. Okay, Janet says she was staring at me. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Is there anything else that you have not explained about the entity?
Nothing else. I think it's just about it. Whatever the entity. Tonight is a fruitful night. I can say going out with everyone, with you guys, with Marcus and Lily. Because our initial plan was to explore and to find any supernatural happenings or sightings.
Yes.
Because for me personally, I came back here because back then my co-founder Jimmy, he experienced it. He heard the pontianak. If you guys seen my BTT, there was a footage. They were walking in, then the pontianak was screeching or wailing, followed by some pictures which was sent by the viewers of that thing sitting on a tree. Not sitting on a tree, but it was hovering on a tree.
Right.
Something like this. It was hovering, like that. So could this place be, their playground or be inhabited by them?
It could be an infestation lah.
Yes. But the luckiest one are the ones who experience it. The ones who are not like us exploring. The ones who actually come and just chill out and suddenly, what's that?
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Because sometimes don't expect them to come out. Just go with it, just relax.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright. Thank you so much, Syed Wilson, for the
You're
very wonderful explanation and your sharing your experience with us. Okay, so let's catch our next section.